Prior to mid-2026, the public understood artificial intelligence entirely as a tool trapped inside a screen. It was defined by chatbots drafting emails, browser extensions acting as software co-pilots, and image generators rendering artwork on demand. Because the technology lived inside software, 2026, the boundaries of that digital box shattered. Artificial intelligence rapidly outgrew lightweight cloud software, colliding with the physical world. To advance, these systems now require massive venture capital, dedicated electrical grids, physical hardware, and strict government oversight. AI developers now function as global defense contractors and infrastructure operators, managing physical assets that reach far beyond the scope of a software startup. Take Anthropic, the company behind the Claude models. Their confidential IPO filing revealed the sheer financial weight of the industry. Training frontier AI models burns through massive reserves of cash, and that burn rate is entirely dictated by physical hardware. This chart shows the harsh economics. As millions of users adopt AI, the computing power required to process tokens skyrockets exponentially, outpacing linear growth. Algorithmic brilliance is no longer enough. Raw compute and electricity are the primary bottlenecks choking the industry. We can see this panic for infrastructure in the reported cloud deal between Alphabet and SpaceX. Technology titans with vastly different core businesses are pooling their massive physical footprints and energy access just to secure enough computing capacity. We have stopped building data centers to passively store files. These massive footprints of cooling units operate as AI factories, industrial plants that continuously manufacture intelligence. The race to build the smartest algorithm has hit a physical wall. We are watching a high-stakes supply chain war over steel, silicon, and electricity. That manufactured intelligence is now leaving the server rack. We are now entering the phase of physical AI, where these models operate autonomous vehicles, guide precision delivery drones, and run complex manufacturing lines. NVIDIA is steering directly into this space, identifying South Korea as a critical future hub for the global robotics dome. South Korea controls a massive share of the high-bandwidth memory chips necessary for AI, and they possess a deeply advanced automotive manufacturing ecosystem. It is the ideal testbed to merge advanced algorithms with heavy machinery. As AI wires into the physical world, governments are reacting to the threat surface. The U.S. government recently announced voluntary but highly scrutinized cybersecurity testing for advanced AI models before they are released to the public. AI labs are already moving into this defense space. Anthropic's Project Glasswing actively deploys advanced models to hunt for software vulnerabilities inside critical power grids, hospitals, and water systems. The tools used to protect a power grid or automate a factory possess the inherent ability to dismantle them. Security and sabotage now share the same technical foundation. The developers understand these rising stakes. Anthropic recently issued a stark warning. If these systems achieve dangerous levels of autonomy, the major AI labs will need a verified, coordinated slowdown. The problem is basic game theory. Extreme competitive pressure means no single company can afford to pause alone. If one stops, the rest surge ahead, forcing everyone to keep sprinting. Breaking out of this trap requires external intervention to enforce a level playing field. That intervention is starting to take shape. U.S. lawmakers have proposed a bipartisan national regulation framework, aiming to replace a mess of fragmented state laws with comprehensive infrastructure-level governance. AI now operates as the ubiquitous infrastructure embedded into the city grids and government systems that sustain modern life. Mathematical models have hit their ceiling as the primary metric of success. Influence now rests with those who control the physical infrastructure, the legal frameworks, and the security systems that house them.